Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in a video on CapCut. So first of all, you want to choose a video which you want to use for the sake of zoom in and out. Now you want to choose a place in the video where you want this to be zoomed in, for example, or out. So for example, I'm going to choose this place, and now you want to be on the video and a basic. Now you will see that you can transform it. So some time ago it was position and size, but for now it is transform, at least for me. And now you want to add a keyframe here. So when you add a keyframe, now basically you can actually zoom in. So let's choose that we want to zoom in here, and let's scale it right here. So you can scale it either like that, or you can actually use these 4 dots and basically zoom in. So I'm just gonna do that. Now I want to zoom out also. So to do this, you want to also add a keyframe once again. So let's click on that. And once again, we want to zoom out. So this is, you can choose whatever interval and so on you want to zoom out or zoom in, and let's leave it somewhere here. Or maybe let's do a 100% like it was before. And now when you will play the video, now as you can see, it will zoom in and zoom out right here. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.